So this is the VITO, and what we do is we have oil filter. So this is like dirty oil. You put the machine in 4.5 minutes, you have clean oil afterwards. This leads to a longer life. You double the lifetime of the oil, save 50% of the oil cost, and this is the machine itself. This is how you handle it. So this is the actually pump. Inside is a filter. You just open up the 2 screws. Here's the electric unit. Here is the filter pump unit. This spins with 4,000 RPM, 100 liters a minute going in here, coming out here, and there. Inside is the double filtration. So you have a mesh filter inside, very fine filter, and then you have a cellulose filter to polish the oil. And this chamber contains like 2.5 kilos capacity for the particle uptake, and then you just place a new filter in and good to go again. Very simple, very easy to operate, only takes a few seconds to place it in and out, and this saves you up to 50% on the oil cost, plus you have a better food quality, a better taste, and less workload around the fry. Thank you.